Hey y'all.
Hey! How many days do we have?
600. No, 19.
It started at 600. Stay tuned and you'll know what we have 19 more days until. So we are 19 days. Where are we going? What are we 19 days till?
Going on a cruise.
Going on our cruise. When we booked it last year, we were almost 600 days away. So we've been counting down from almost 600 days away. Our last cruise was actually booked over a year ago, Memorial Day week 2017, and we ended up canceling that cruise because, and it's a good thing, I kept having this feeling I need to cancel this cruise. There's things just started happening and I just felt uneasy, as bad as I wanted to go. But then my granny ended up passing away the day that we were supposed to leave on our cruise, and if she had lived 6 more weeks, she'd have been 101. She was 100 years old. But then it all came clear, and I was like, that's why I felt such a strong feeling to cancel this cruise. So, but before that one was even canceled, we had booked this one because we've been taking cruises on our anniversary. So we're going to be leaving August 18th. Our anniversary is the 19th, and this will be we're going on the Sunshine. We haven't been on the Sunshine yet, so I'm excited to try this ship. But when we first started cruising, our goal was to try every ship in the fleet. We've had a good variety, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
We've been so far on the Conquest class. If you've ever cruised Carnival, they have classes. We've been on Inspiration in 2005. We were on the Conquest for our anniversary in 2015. Is that right?
I don't remember. They all run together.
Then I surprised Michael, and we'll repost that video because it's in our video archives. But I'll repost the video where I surprised him. This was before our videos got better. I mean, we're getting better every video. It's a learning process. But I completely surprised him for his 50th birthday. He had no idea. It was so hard because for 6 months I had to keep it a secret, and then I had to start sneaking clothes and packing them. So what I did was looked back at pictures of the cruise we did before in 2015, and I was looking at pictures to see what he wore. Well, I think the only thing I forgot was your belt, because I didn't see it in any pictures. So we get to dress up night, and he goes, "Where's my belt?" And I was like, "Oh, that's what I forgot." But I think that's pretty good that that's all I forgot. But he had no idea where we were going until we got to the car rental place, and that guy blew it for him. But it was still such a fun cruise. And then that same year we went on our anniversary. That was on the Magic. And then that same year in August we went on Valor for our anniversary.
Let me get Isabel.
Hold on, we got a puppy that wants to get up, and she's having a hard time getting up.
Alright.
There's Isabel. So what this video is about is we are in the process of getting ready for our cruise. Our next cruise is on the Sunshine, Carnival Sunshine. We have not been on the Sunshine. We're going out of Port Canaveral, which this will be the 3rd time we went out of Port Canaveral. So we are going to do a video series getting ready for this. When we started our YouTube channel, the whole idea was so that we could help other people. If they like to cruise, if they like to travel, then we decided that we want to go full-time in an RV so that we can travel around the United States. And so we started building our channel on just full-time travel. But then our life adventures started happening, so that's where we've added in. I just had a cornea transplant, and we decided we want our channel to help other people. So we thought with this video series, maybe we could help you if you're planning on cruising or traveling. We've got some ideas that we have done that may help you, shortcuts. So would you like to start our list off? We need bigger notes.
Facebook group for cruises, Facebook group t-shirt, video series, parking hacks, what to do with luggage tags, researching ports, must-have cruise items, travel insurance and snorkeling gear, sand socks, etc. Other items, other must-have items is what we're going to be doing tomorrow.
Yes, so let's talk about Facebook groups. On our first cruise we went on many years ago, well, first Facebook wasn't around, but we didn't realize that there were Facebook groups that you could go and join if you were going to have a cruise that was coming up. So if you're on Facebook, social media, and you didn't know this, hopefully it'll help you, but you can go into Facebook. There's all kind of cruise pages. You can join Carnival cruise pages, you can join Norwegian, you can join Royal Caribbean, whatever cruise line you like to cruise with. You can find them in the Facebook or in Facebook groups.
Well, if you can't find them, you can create one.
Right. We actually created we've created 2 Facebook pages as far as cruises go, and that is if you've ever cruised on the Carnival Valor, then you can go in and search for Carnival Valor past, present, and future cruises, and we also created one on the Conquest. But also within those groups you can find other groups that's just specific to your cruise. So we are cruising in August of 2018, so we went in, we found a group that is just people that are going to be on our group. It's a good way to get to know some people before you get on the ship. We've actually met and became friends with a lot of people through doing that, and that we're still friends with. This time we actually had the group, through the group we ordered cruise t-shirts, and our cruise t-shirts came in, and so we thought that we would unveil those. We haven't even looked at them yet, so we thought we'd do that on video so that everybody can see our shirts. So I'm pretty excited about this. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Let's do it.
So what we did, someone knew another girl that makes cruise t-shirts. Oh, what is her name? Is it on the bag?
Angela Gray, Custom Cruise Wear.
Custom Cruise Wear. So she posted her information on our cruise group, and I liked her website. She does cruise specific shirts. Well, I think she does more than shirts. I think she does banners and all types of things, but she gave us choices, and that's what I liked. We could choose whether we wanted something on the back. We could choose whether we put our what do you call it, our
Logo?
Our picture on the front or the back, or if we wanted on both. We were able to put your former cruises on there. You could put your name on it. We could pick which color we wanted. She had about 4. That's our chickens. The chickens are roaming. We had about 4 choices of shirts, and she went anywhere from, I think, an extra small up to like a 6X. So I liked the choices that she had. So you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. You need a knife?
Mm-hmm.
So we picked blue.
Oh, looky there.
Oh, she sent us a surprise. What does it say?
It's her business card with a mint attached to it. Why a mint? What's she trying to say?
I don't know, but why did we only get one?
Let me see.
We're gonna have to split that mint, I guess.
Someone's got bad breath.
But that's a cute little extra that she put in
Says
there.
we make custom shirts for cruises and vacations, birthdays, bridal, wedding parties, family reunions, memorial and loving memory, everyday fun, and whimsical business, schools, groups, and other events.
Cool. Well, thanks, Angela, for the mint. What is that? Please read, it says, and it's bright.
Thank you again for your recent order with Custom Cruise Wear. Please take a moment to check your order and make sure everything is correct. Uh-oh. If this happens to be any errors, please notify me within 5 days of receiving your order.
Uh-oh. But now she did send us a picture. She sent us a copy of what it was going to look like, and there was a change that we had to make.
Yeah, she sent us a proof.
Proof, that's what she sent us. So we picked blue. I don't remember the color of blue that it was. And we picked V-necks. Cool. Neat. It says soaking up the sunshine, because we're going on the sunshine while cruising the Caribbean. We're going to Grand Turk, San Juan, St. Kitts, St. Martin, August 2018. We chose to put our website up here, Mike and Kel's Adventures, so that we can get that advertised out there. And then on the back, we've got, cool, my past cruises. Carnival Valor, August 2016. Let me move it up so we can see. Carnival Magic, May 2016. Oh, August 2000. Oh, that's, oh wait.
We'll
Oh no,
find-
it's going from
Yeah,
from the farthest up.
yeah.
So yeah, we did Carnival Valor, August 2016. Carnival Magic, May 2016. Carnival Conquest, August 2015. Carnival Inspiration, June 2005, and then our MikeandKelsAdventures.com. So cool, I like it. But we both got V-necks. I like a V-neck shirt. It don't choke me. I like that better. But yeah, we each got one. So how exciting. So this is our first real attempt at getting ready for our cruise, because we only have 19 days left. We just went through cornea transplant and all that entailed, so I'm excited. I haven't been counting down too fast because, you know, that counts down my summer, and I go back to work the day after we get back, so yuck. But at least I got the summer off, unlike you that didn't get the summer off. So yeah, that's our t-shirt. So over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be doing a video series on getting ready for a cruise, and hope that we can help other people. What do you think?
Yep, because we see questions out there all the time on the Facebook groups, like what are the must-haves, first-time cruisers,
What's the best way to pack?
yep, what to pack.
What does this cabin look like? What does that cabin look like? We actually, when we went on, we used to book Ocean View, because I'm very claustrophobic, and I don't think that I could be in a room, in a cabin that was in the middle with no window. So for Michael's birthday cruise that I surprised him on, I thought, I'm going to get a balcony. We're really going to make this big. And so we booked a balcony. Well,
We're hooked.
will you ever go back? I don't think I'll ever go back.
No,
Yeah.
I like the balcony. We got our own little private space if we want to go and just relax. There's plenty of times we've gone out there and just fell asleep,
Yep.
listen to the water go by.
And I like on sea days just to sit on the balcony and relax. I like people and I like to be around people, but we're on a cruise. When you're on a cruise, it can get a bit crowded sometimes, and it's nice just to have that balcony to go and chill out on with nobody around. And not that we're antisocial, but it's just nice. So I like sitting out there and just chilling out. But this time we actually booked a spa balcony. So we've not had a spa balcony before, but we'll do some videos while we're on the ship too, because a lot of people on the cruise boards ask, you know, what does such and such room look like? Well, I've never been in a spa balcony, so I've wondered the same thing. So after we get there, I'll know, and we'll post a video, and then you will know.
Yep, looking forward to it.
Me too. I'm ready. But anything else?
That's it for now.
Did we hit it all? I don't think
we
we
did.
missed anything.
If not, we'll pick it up on another video.
Yeah, right. So if you're new to our channel and you like cruising, or even if you don't, if you just like travel or life adventures in general, then hit the subscribe button, and you will, it's going to be right up where? There?
Subscribe button's in the middle, yep.
It's going to be right over there. And then you will be, and you can hit the little bell and be notified when we post our videos. We try to post videos on different subjects, so hopefully one of them will help you. You can search our videos and find something that might help you.
And if there's something you would like us to do a video on, just let us know that too.
Right.
Until then, see y'all.
Bye. Be blessed.